Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Asiya and I am from Arafah Digital School. I am studying in grade 5 and today I am going to introduce an application I wanted to show. It's called the Fashion app.
Okay.
This is one of the unique dress made by a girl named Layla and her age was only 15. This app will inspire young learners and will also try and chase their own dreams. It will also help other fashion designers to make dresses more easily instead of working on a boring paper. It will also help save more paper. Now people won't have to fill and throw their trash cans with crumpled paper. Also, the name of this app is called Fashion Up, a name invented by the creator's children.
Okay. So we can use this app and make drawings for the clothing. Is it, Asiya? Is it something like that?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. How to download the app. First, click on Windows and type in Fashion Up. Then click on the logo. It will look like the picture on the side over here. After clicking, you have two options: download it or use it online. If you download, then enter your account and you're ready to use the app. When you use it online, you only need a face scan and you're ready to go up, up, up. The homepage of the app will look like this. Thank you. Thanks for checking out our new app. Hope everyone will be able to do many efficient things. Thanks.
Inshallah. Very nice, Asiya. Very good job. Hopefully, in future you will add more features to it. Okay.
Okay.
Inshallah. Very good job.